Hello everyone, my name is Martin and this is my project demo for the Cal Spring Hackathon. Okay, so it's an encryption GUI or application which takes any text you input and brings it out as either Morse or Caesar ciphers encryption. And I've also added a model which uses the cryptography model of Python. No, it's not of Python, but I need to install the cryptography model. And it also encrypts it and decrypts it using a special key, which you are going to see on later on. So to open this application, I need to click on the main.exe or application. If you want, you can also click the main.py to see it in your IDE or something. But I've packaged it into an exe file, so there's no need. And it's 16 megabytes, so it takes some time. Okay, I packaged it with Py installer, so that's what I use as the packager. So we are going to type something into the text area, which is this is a demo, and to change it into the Morse code, I need to click on Morse, and as you can see, it brings up a message box telling me what's the name that everything gets stored into a txt file. So that's where it got created. As you can see, this same text is the same one in the morse.txt. So let's open it. You can see. So our text got changed into Morse code, which is dots and dashes. Okay. So I can delete this morse.txt file. Okay. So let's type the same thing down. This is a demo. Okay. So to use the cryptography model to encrypt it, we need to add it first. So we click on add and it creates a data.txt file. This data.txt file is going to be used as a stepping stone to encrypt it using a cryptography model. So I'm going to click on encrypt and it tells me the key is very special, so I'll keep it safe. So without this key, we can't decrypt it. But don't worry because it also creates a file.key file, a file key.key, which stores this same key into a file key. So if you can't copy this one down, you have this one into in your what's the name, your main folder. Okay, so let's open the encrypted.txt. Okay, so this is a demo got encrypted into this thing, and I don't think someone can read this with understand someone can understand this wasn't this type of text. So let's delete this encrypted .txt file here. Okay, and let's decrypt. Oh no. Okay, I said okay. Without the encrypted .txt file, it can't decrypt it, so let's encrypt it again. Okay, so now we can decrypt it. Without the encrypted .txt file, it's not going to work. Okay, so the decrypted, as you can see, the decrypted is the same one here. This is a demo. Okay, so now let's click on cipher, which uses the scissor cipher, and it shifts every letter forward by 5. So let's click on cipher. As you can see, it copies it also into my clipboard, so I can just let's see, I can just what's the name, paste it, Control V, and it's the same thing. I use the Piper clip model of Python, so it just copies it in your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere you want. Okay, so it also creates what's the name, a txt file, which is in the cipher.txt. It's the same thing when we click on decipher, or it also creates a txt file. So let's go here, decipher.txt. Okay, this is a demo, decipher.txt. So I'm going to show you all the components of the code in VS Code. So this the file key I was talking about is the same thing which was in the cryptography area, and this is the code. Is somewhat, I don't know, 150 lines of code, and it has everything in it. So you can go through this and modify it if you want to see how it works. These are all the imports. So we have the Caesar.py, which changes it into the Caesar cipher. And we also have the Morse.py, which changes it into Morse code. I created a dictionary for the Morse code correspondence or the Morse code value. So yeah, this is the project demo for the North Cal, what's the name? The North Cal Spring Hacks 2023, and I hope you like it. So see you next time.